Hello, Namaskar. This is Abhijit Biswal here, Technical Manager, Heleark Projects and Solutions Private Limited. Today we have installed 2 kilowatt photovoltaic system, and here we have 7 panels of 260 watt, and one is missing due to cyclone. Actually the panel has been blown out, so customer was facing little bit electricity loss, and previously it was connected through AC wire, and now you can see the panel is very dirty. uh, they have the panel actually was there here, so it was difficult there to clean the panels, so we have to clean it weekly once. So here 7 panels are connected in series to a DC-DB box, through which the wire is taken to a grid tie inverter. Let me take you to the grid tie inverter. Here you can see it is connected in series.